Friends, this is today's background. The background link in the description. First step, scroll up, select background photo. Friends, this is the background photo. Simply zoom out and arrange on the right side portion here. Now tap on eraser, tap on invert. Now select the restore option. Decrease the size, decrease opacity, decrease hardness. Now simply draw like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Simply arrange it in this portion here. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select model image. Image, I already arranged the background. You have to simply arrange it in this portion here. Simply arrange it like this. Perfect. Now tap on it. Next step, go to add photo and select colors PNG. This is the PNG. Zoom out, bring little down, and you can arrange it perfectly in this portion here. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select next color photo. Then this is the PNG. You can arrange perfectly here. Scroll up, select the blend option, select the multiple. Now tap on layers, tap on duplicate and arrange another one here. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select another color photo. Then this is another color photo. You can simply arrange this green color like this. Now tap on eraser, tap on invert, tap on restore and simply draw on the model. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select Happy Holi PNG. PNG, stretch out, and I will give this PNG link in the description. You can simply arrange in this portion here. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to brushes, select fourth brush, and you have to select this rainbow, increase size, and you have to simply draw here. Now tap on tick mark. In the next step, go to tools, tap on adjust, increase saturation little bit and clarity little bit, and decrease, give little contrast, decrease little highlights, give little shadow and give little temperature. Now tap on it. In the next step, tap on FX, select the FX option, scroll to the last, tap on vignette, increase the size to 100 and keep it around 80, 90. Okay, now tap on it. Friends, finally our special Holi photo editing tutorial is completed. The before and this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept.